Imagine holding exposure to GoogleX, AMZNX, or ACNX as freely transferable, 24/7 tradable tokens directly in your wallet. These aren't synthetic assets. They are one-to-one backed by the real underlying equities, securely held in regulated custodian banks and brokers using a bankruptcy remote structure. No phone calls, no borders, no waiting for market hours. Trading the world's top companies has never been easier or more accessible. This is the future of investing, and it's already here with xStocks. Designed for everyone, xStocks bring tokenized equities to the blockchain, creating a neutral, public good asset class that is not bound to any single blockchain or exchange. Investors can participate in the stock market worldwide without intermediaries, delays, or complex onboarding. xStocks are live on top platforms like Kraken, Bybit, Gate, Bitget, KuCoin, LBank, and on Solana, with plans to expand to BNB chain soon. You can hold these assets in wallets including OKX Wallet, VALR, Jupiter, Solflare, and trade them anytime, across multiple platforms. By joining the xStocks Alliance, powered by backed-in partners like Kraken, Bybit, Solana, Chainlink, Alchemy Pay, and more, users gain access to permissionless, DeFi-ready tokenized equities with 24/7 trading, dividend pass-through via rebasing tokens, and full composability across DeFi protocols. And this is just the beginning. xStocks cover a wide range of companies, from tech giants like Amazon, AMZNX, and Apple, AAPLX, to healthcare innovators like AstraZeneca, AZNX, and Merck, MRKX. We'll explore more of these products later in this video. Whether you are an innovator, a crypto native, or a retail investor, xStocks make investing simple, secure, and transparent, enabling access to the world's top companies while maintaining regulatory soundness. In just 30 days since launch, xStocks have shown remarkable adoption and traction. The platform achieved $400 million in on-chain transaction volume, with 25,000 unique holders, demonstrating strong user engagement. Total tokenized assets under management reached $44 million, highlighting the growing confidence in these compliant, one-to-one backed tokenized equities. DEX activity recorded $100 million in trading volume, while centralized exchanges contributed $1.9 billion in volume, reflecting widespread adoption across both trading environments. Currently, 61 tokenized assets are live, covering a broad range of industries and sectors. These statistics underscore xStocks as the industry standard for tokenized equities, combining accessibility, transparency, and security. For too long, investing meant borders, brokers, and barriers. It was complicated, costly, and out of reach for millions. xStocks were created to change that. Availability: xStocks trade 24/7. Traditional brokers, market hours only. Transferability: xStocks are freely transferable between wallets. Traditional brokers, no. Commission friendly: xStocks trade with no commission on Kraken, fees may apply elsewhere. DeFi ready: use xStocks across lending protocols, DEX, and apps. Traditional brokers? No. Accessibility: fractional exposure and global availability allow more people to participate, from wallets and venues they already use. No more waiting days for settlement. No siloed accounts. xStocks are redefining investing in tokenized equities, setting the industry standard for transparency, accessibility, and DeFi compatibility. Every xStock is freely transferable, giving you flexibility to hold them securely or trade across multiple venues. Beyond simple trading, tokenized equities can be integrated into lending protocols, DEXs, or any DeFi application, enabling you to put your assets to work in ways traditional equities simply cannot. Ownership isn't passive, it's active, versatile, and designed for the modern investor. xStocks are fully operational on leading exchanges and integrated into DeFi, making them accessible anytime, anywhere. Whether you prefer centralized exchanges like Kraken, Bybit, Gate, Bitget, LBank, KuCoin, or decentralized platforms like Jupiter and Phantom, xStocks provide seamless trading and DeFi integration. This broad availability ensures investors can access tokenized equities worldwide, transfer them freely, and participate in a truly global financial ecosystem. all while maintaining the security and reliability of regulated, one-to-one backed assets. Founded in 2021, Backed Finance is one of crypto's longest-standing RWA real-world asset issuers. Their mission: bring composable stocks and ETFs on-chain without protocol tokens or backdoor deals, just transparent, verifiable tokenized equities designed for the public good. xStocks use a bankruptcy remote structure, keeping assets for each product in separate, product-specific collateral accounts with regulated custodians in Switzerland and the United States. Operational funds are also fully separated. No commingling occurs. Backed operates under an EU-compliant prospectus approved in Liechtenstein, with issuance via a regulated company in Jersey. xStocks are tokenized tracker certificates, freely transferable, each one-to-one backed by the underlying equity or ETF. For more information, visit Backed Finance. xStocks provide on-chain exposure to the world's top equities and ETFs, backed one-to-one by the actual underlying assets. Investors can explore the product database to browse every listing, read its legal documentation, view the issuer, and see all service providers and investor notices. Each product page includes a Solana address for full on-chain transparency. Examples of xStocks you can explore today: ABTX, ABV, Pharma, Dividend Stalwart; ACNX, Accenture, Global Consulting and IT Services; Google X, Alphabet, Google Ecosystem and AI Leadership; AMZNX, Amazon, E-commerce and Cloud Scale; AMBRX, Ambarella, Edge AI and Vision Silicon; GoldX, Gold, Classic Store of Value, now on-chain. Searching is simple: type GoldX to find gold, Google X for Alphabet, or scan by sector, venue, or chain. You can hold these assets in your Solana wallet, trade on supported CEX, or route via Jupiter Radium in DeFi. For full regulatory and legal transparency, all relevant information about xStocks is available on their legal documentation page. This includes product database, browse all tokenized equities and ETFs; issuer and service providers, details about the entities behind each product; investor notices, important information for investors including restricted countries; regulatory status, xStocks are approved in Liechtenstein by the FMA as of May 8, 2025. This ensures investors can access tokenized equities transparently, legally, and securely, with all documentation available for review. xStocks shine when you put your assets to work in DeFi. Trade on CEXs you already trust. Provide liquidity LP on DEX for trading fees and rewards. Borrow against tokenized equities in integrated lending markets. Arbitrage between CEX, DEX, and chains as pricing diverges and portfolio construction. Mix GoldX with Google X/AMZNX for growth plus defensiveness, all on-chain. Because they're DeFi-ready, builders can integrate xStocks into structured products, vaults, indices, and automated strategies. More yield routes, more capital deployment, all without hopping back to TradFi rails. xStocks are designed for a wide range of investors and innovators. Crypto natives and innovators can gain exposure to large market cap equities without leaving the blockchain ecosystem, using assets that are fully composable with DeFi protocols. Early adopters and CEX users benefit from trading tokenized equities directly within platforms they already trust, with opportunities like Bybit's prize pools for deposits, trading, or staking. Importantly, these users retain full ownership and transferability of their tokenized equities. Meanwhile, Web2 retail investors, those new to crypto, can skip broker management fees and platform lock-in, trading freely, 24/7, worldwide. Positions are held as tokens, not PDFs, enabling seamless global access to leading companies. In summary, xStocks provide permissionless, global, and composable access to high-demand equities for innovators, early adopters, and mainstream investors alike. xStocks put the world's leading equities directly in your wallet. One-to-one backed, globally accessible, and fully verifiable. Explore the product database at xstocks.com. Review legal documentation, and trade seamlessly on platforms like Kraken, Bybit, and Solana wallets, with many more supported exchanges and chains coming soon. Whether you're a crypto native, CEX user or retail investor, xStocks make investing flexible, secure, and 24/7 tradable, while giving you the power to integrate into DeFi, provide liquidity, or build automated strategies. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights on tokenized equities and the future of finance. Bring the stock market to your wallet today with xStocks.